recording.
No, it was him. I saw him with my two small eyes. No, there we go.
I come from the Carl Wheezer parable.
No, he's lying. I'm the real Carl.
No, I have to fight you with me and Jimmy. And Jimmy
Jimmy avatar for this.
No, it's not me, Jimmy. It's not me. Jimmy, it's just a fat Carl.
Oh
You're not the same.
But here's the thing, Carl Weezer's fat and short time. That's not real.
Oh yeah? Well, I also obsess over your mother, Jimmy.
145 seconds to go with this sentence.
You pervert, it made us strong.
No, I'm the true pervert.
No.
I have put pillows of Mrs. Neutron's mom in my room. As long as posters and
No. I sing for Jimmy's mom. No. Oh, fuck you. No.
I'm also subscribed to her OnlyFans, okay, Jimmy?
But I sub to her YouTube channel where she gets naked and watches porn.
Man, boys, I'm right here. I'm Jimmy, okay? You're gonna talk to Jimmy. I'm right here.
Jimmy, listen, okay? She's a porn star. I'm her #1 fan. I subscribe to her OnlyFans, Jimmy.
Just like Isaac's mom, she gets naked on the couch and she watches porn.
It's not even 3 a.m. yet. It's not even 12 a.m. yet. Or wait, no, it is 12 a.m.
It's gonna be 12 in 1 minute.
It's gonna be 1 minute. We're already becoming
Jimmy, I promise you, Jimmy, it's not me. Remember?
How do I know it
wasn't? Get stuck in the vending machine.
Skip the vote, okay?
Okay, then prove to me that you're not it.
You're not it. Okay, it's getting too confusing at this point.
Hey, Carl Weezer #2, shut the fuck up. I'm trying to hear what Jimmy wants.
We got 21 seconds left. Make your case.
Jimmy, I swear it's not me, Jimmy.
No, shut the fuck up. Okay.
Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Oh my gosh. That's beautiful.
Jimmy, you should have listened to him. I'm sorry. Goodbye, Jimmy.
No.
Goodbye, say goodbye, Jimmy.
I know that
You fucking bastard.
Oh my god, that was beautiful.
I recorded that whole
Okay,
shit.
you guys did that entire
when I'm
thing.
done.
Oh,
You know what? I'm gonna have to